Today we're going to talk about the fixative spray that we have here. We have it on the website as well, obviously. Comes in matte, gloss or satin, and it has a whole wide range of application. They're actually sold as a canvas fixative, but we'll show you some other applications that you can use with them. We're also going to take the opportunity and talk about the tattoo paper or the craft paper that we do, and I'm going to put some images on 3 different color mugs, and also I'll take the opportunity to show you how it comes out on a dark mug, on a kind of creamy color mug, on a creamy color mug, and on a white mug. So we've done one already. We've seen this before. You've seen this application before. It's the tattoo paper is printed normally on any inkjet paper, on any inkjet printer. You print on it not in mirror mode, start peeling it off. It's a really thin, fine sticker that takes a little bit of patience and care to use. I'm going to go quite quickly with this because I don't want to keep you, but if you're a little bit skilled and a little bit patient and you have a little bit more time, you'll get the best results you can with this. So it comes off as a label. Take as much care as you can with this, slowly transferring it, sticking it on the mug in this case, but it will go onto candles, it will go onto a whole range of surfaces, and also suitable to make skin tattoos. So here's our logo, a colorful image on a creamy mug. It comes out quite clear and sharp. This is the same paper, the tattoo paper for inkjet printers. Also we refer to it as the craft paper. We've printed it normally, not in mirror mode. Just peel it off and take your time. It's a very, very thin sticker designed to show as little as possible on a mug or any surface. Once you transfer it, when you get a bit expert at it, you can do it quite quickly. So we've printed our logo, or any image. It can be photographic, can be text, onto the tattoo paper and stuck it on 3 different mugs, and you can see the difference in the image. On the white, it's near as it was on the paper. Put it on a creamy mug, the colors change a little bit, but still looks very good. If you print it onto a dark surface or a dark mug, it's hardly visible, and that's a characteristic of all inkjet printing. You don't have white ink in your printer. Now, to protect this, we have the spray. Spray, although initially designed for canvas applications, fantastic for protecting this sort of product on mugs in this case, but really on any substrate that you decide to print. Okay, so now we've printed the mug with the tattoo paper printed on an inkjet printer, and to protect it, to make it a little bit more durable, we're going to spray it. We have the fixative sprays, which are essentially a varnish, a solvent-based varnish designed for protecting inkjet prints on canvas, paper, mugs, pretty much any surface. I'll choose the glossy one because it matches the surface of the mug as much as we can. We'll move these to one side for a minute. I've shaken it for quite a long time before we started filming, so you want a good minute of shaking, about 30 centimeters away. And just to give it a uniform finish all the way around. And it's done. Dries in 10 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like. You can do similar finish, similar thing. I'll show you what is satin, or you know what, let's try the matte. So this is another mug that we've printed before, and we'll spray it with the matte finish, same thing. We've shaken it quite a lot before we started. And you can see that it's finished in gloss. The mug is glossy, the paper is matte, and we'll make the whole mug. This dries in 10 minutes, and if you want to give it even more durability, we recommend you give it a couple of coats. And then you can use this mug regularly, not quite dishwasher safe, but can be washed and can be used, and it might be a nice memento for somebody, or even advertising something, or putting a logo on a mug or any other surface. Your ideas are unlimited. We've just showed you how to do it on a mug on this occasion. Remember, this was a glossy mug. You can still see the gloss finish on the inside. We've sprayed it with a matte fixative to match the image that we printed using the tattoo paper. So the tattoo paper is suitable for putting tattoos onto skin, but also has a very wide range of applications for mugs, for example, or you can put it on candles. You can put it pretty much on any surface, and your imagination the uses are only limited by your imagination. If there's a surface that you can stick something on, this is a very good product. Remember, the surface has to be a light or white colored. Anything dark, the image will not show.